So guys, let me click on this message here. As you can see, this particular client, I do love the fact that he just went straight forward. You understand? When I sent him my proposals, it was easy. I don't know if I can see the date the proposal was sent here. It was sent July 06 this month, and today is on the 8th. As you can see here, this is July 8th. So I sent it like 2 days ago, and he replied me today. And after reading my proposal, the next thing he said is how much for a video. You understand? It is quite easy. He didn't even ask for anything because I gave him everything in my proposals. So guys, you can book a consultation with me. For those of you that will just come and chat with me and be telling me that I need an app that will pay me maybe in coins, and like after like 2 months I'll convert it to like $10. I just want to join the league of making money. How do I go about it? How do I do this? Now, if you book a consultation with me, your your question will no longer be you need a coin, how do you go about it? Your question will be, how do I start? You understand? Because in in the consultation you'll be booking with me, the consultation is an hour, and the 1 hour will be very intense. So if you don't have that 1 hour to spare, please do not book a consultation with me. You understand? Because that 1 hour, you will need to give me your complete focus. Like, you will need to give me your complete 1 hour, because I need to ask you a lot of questions to determine what you can do, to determine the skill that fits you from our discussion. You understand? Then I will be able to tell you, okay, you can go in for this skill, you can go in for this skill. You understand? In our conversation, I will also be able to tell you or explain to you the lucrative aspect of a feed in case you choose to go into it. You understand? In our conversation, I will also be able to tell you that there are the do's and the don'ts of a particular skill, just in case I recommend it for you. You'll also be getting the template of this particular proposal that you can edit, you can tweak, you can do whatever you like with it. Then I'll be able to tell you how you can use AI, chat GPT, to also write your own proposals according to any client. I will be able to teach you that within that 1 hour. So be prepared, because that 1 hour will be very, very intense. You understand? Please, if you want to book a section with me, make sure you have some questions that you intend to ask. Write them down. Brain Brainstorm about it. Think about it. Write them down and come to me with those questions, because that 1 hour will be very, very intense. Talk at length about everything, because I will need to help you understand. Because some of you, no matter how someone explains to you, you need someone to put you in the right direction. You understand? Some of you, you don't understand it, so you need someone to put you in the right direction. You get me? You understand? So I will leave a link in the comment section. You click the link, you book the consultation with me. The consultation is not free. It is just 5,000 naira. I'll also leave the link on the Telegram channel. So the link will be for you to make payment and book your own free time, like set your own free time, and then we'll discuss. Please, if you are not serious, do not book a consultation with me. And come prepared, because I'll bombard you with questions that you yourself you need to think and answer. Then we'll both start seeing reasons, or we'll both start understanding what you can do or what you can offer in exchange for value. Then I'll be giving you legit websites where you can learn those skills, depending on the skills, for free or to pay maybe a penny or something like that. And I also explain to you how you can use Google. You understand? Google, to understand how much you can charge, especially for Upwork. And his response was, how much for a video? You guys, some of you do not know that I also do video editing, you understand. So in this consultation too, in case you're suitable for that video editing, I will also give you some apps that you can start using for free. And as you can see, I also have some proposals here, like 4 of them. Now if you do not also have time to dedicate to this thing, do not book me. Despite my busy schedule and all of that, I still have time to write proposals on Upwork. You understand? Sometimes I write like 10 proposals and just submit, because I know that from that 10 at least I'll get maybe like 3 or 4 people that will ask me, okay, move, let's know what you can do. Let's move to the next step. Giving you a proposal template that will contain almost everything your clients requires of you. So your clients won't need to ask you much questions, but rather how much will be the question your client will be asking you, like how much. So as you can see, there are a lot of jobs on Upwork here that you can actually apply for and that you can do depending on your skill. You understand? And you can click on most recent here to see the jobs that are very, very recent. Upwork has a lot of jobs. As you can see, it says load more jobs. So you'll be getting maybe like thousands of jobs that you can apply for here. Please, if you are not ready to put in the time, please do not book my section, because I don't like to invest in things that I will not see results in. You understand? So like this particular guy, I said I will be doing a video editing, creation and editing for him, and he asked me for like how much for a video. This is my own budget, $200 for a video, and my client's budget is around $100 for a video. So I'm sure that by the end of our conversation, this is his messages. Can you see? This is his message, how much for a video. I'm sure that by the end of our conversation, we'll be able to come to a conclusion of maybe about $150 per video, because I know that I will convince him. And this is the technique you'll also be getting from our consultation. You understand? So I'll be dropping the link in the comment section for you to access our consultation field and just make your payment. Please, it is 5,000 naira for the consultation, and I've listed all the things you'll be getting, and you even be getting more, because some of you might have a lot of questions that you want to even ask me that might be more than 1 hour. So I'm not going to push you away because it is 1 hour. No, because I can't do that, because we actually have a goal to accomplish. And unless we accomplish that, we are going nowhere. You understand? But all I need you to do is to come prepared and be ready for this class, and to bring in your questions and anything you have to ask me. You understand? So guys, that will be all for now. I'll be dropping the link to the consultation in the comment section. And please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? As you can see, we are serious on this channel, and sometimes we play a lot. Like, we play a lot on this channel. We are serious on this channel as well. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? If you have not joined our Telegram channel, please hit the link in the description box and join our Telegram channel. And then I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.